Hi everyone, congratulations! You have made it to the halfway point of this course. So this week, our topic is evolution of understanding. We're going to be looking at three main things this week. We are going to take a look at how the social sciences developed and what we consider to be the major developments in psychology, sociology, and anthropology. Those we will actually be looking at through timelines. And then this week, you will also be learning about perspectives in psychology. And our final topic for this week is globalization and technology. And that topic will also be discussed a little bit further in week 6. One of the first things you'll be reading this week is the timeline of psychology. This goes back to the beginnings of psychology as a science and gives you details on the important developments in the field of psychology that have helped us get to where we are today. You will learn about Wilhelm Wundt's psychology lab, Sigmund Freud's study of dreams, and so many more topics that have helped make psychology what it is today. You will also be spending some time learning about 5 different perspectives in psychology: psychodynamic, neuroscience, humanistic, cognitive, and behavioral. As you go through these topics, think about what event or perspective you found most interesting and why you found it interesting. That will come in handy in your discussion assignment this week. So remember, in this class, when we talk about psychology, we are connecting it with studying the individual. So this week, you will also be taking a look at the sociology and anthropology timeline, as well as some details about the origins of sociology. Remember that when we talk about studying others, we're talking about sociology and anthropology. Just like you did with psychology, as you read through these topics, think about what event you found most interesting and why. Because that will actually be the topic of your week 5 discussion assignment. Well, I will have more details about this assignment posted in the week 5 discussion announcements. To give you a brief overview now, you'll be choosing something from one of these timelines and discussing why you found it interesting. And then in a response post, you'll be discussing how the event has changed how we study individuals, groups, or cultures. Our last topic for the week is globalization and technology. For the purpose of this course, globalization is defined as the notion that people around the globe are more connected than ever before, from the flow of information to the exchange of goods and services. We will be taking a look at how globalization has had an impact on the social sciences and on our own lives. We'll also be starting a discussion of technological advances and how advances like the internet, social media, and neuroimaging and data collection has changed our lives and the world of social sciences. So I hope that you all have a great week. Remember to be watching for those announcements on your week 5 assignments. And if you have any questions, please feel free to post a question in the general questions discussion board or to send me an email. Thanks for watching.